This is my Camtasia. This is the video software for video editing. I usually include my music that I produce here, and then I combine it with the image, with the wave effect that you can see on your screen. Okay. Now let's go to my YouTube channel and let's upload the video. So it's YouTube Studio, select files, and then I will choose the latest video, MP4 that I created. So I will upload the video here. I will add some brackets here. Okay, we can leave it as is. Then in description, I will add a title. So we do some things on the YouTube SEO. Next, let's do some hashtags. And one more. Okay, now let's add some products so we can promote other people's products in our video. So in the tag products, I will search movie because this is related to movies, and I will find something that is related. So estimate earnings is about, for movies, it's about 2.3% commission. So let's find one or two movies that are somehow related to this background music that we are. Okay, let's use Jurassic World and one more. Okay, I think this DreamWorks 10 movie collection would work. Now we have to move over 30 seconds. This is the YouTube rule, to add first one, and then we can create some pause, and then let's do add second here. And done. Next, let's upload our thumbnail. Let's add this video to our playlist, and maybe this one. Yes. Okay, we can check this to know. And then in the tags, let's add some tags. These suggestions comes from vidIQ, which is add-on to Chrome. I have free version, but the free version is not allowing me to suggest some maybe better keywords, but for now I will use what I have. Okay, now tags are 100%, it's green. And let's check this recording date. Next, category is selected to music. Next. Now ads, we want to turn on monetization. So for videos longer than 8 minutes, we can select where we want our ad to be placed, but for now we will add it for YouTube to decide. For ad sustainability, we will check this none of the above and submit rating. so it's safe for ads, and then we will click next. So here I want to skip these first two. We tag two products already. So for end screens, we will add three things: subscribe, a link to my courses, and videos best for viewer, and click save. So three things are at the end screen, and we would add the card. Let's add latest video, or yes, let's add latest video. Skip to the 10th second and save. And we can add a quiz. Let's create some quiz. And we will select the quiz to appear at the end of the video. Click save. This is a message that we won't be able to edit it. Okay, and next. Now we want to, okay, this is another check for copyright. I don't want to do that right now. Now we want to schedule it for the day after tomorrow. So let's make it tomorrow for February 21st at 2 a.m. Let's do as a premiere and the schedule. That's it. So I showed you how this looks like. It will be premiered, scheduled, and ready to go. Thank you for watching.